All right, so let's be honest. If you're getting your car detailed, 95% of the people got kids. Problem with kids, they make messes. So here, Exhibit A. We got some white icing, more than likely probably from a cupcake, maybe a perfect use case for using Zap-It. This is the ready-to-use stain remover. If you're gonna use this, always make sure you shake it. So we're gonna spray it directly on our stains. With it being citrus-based, really gonna smell really good. And then I like to cover the rest of it. And this is called the dry method. So we're not gonna use a shampooer. It really isn't that dirty. And you use our carpet brush. All right, so the drill brush is perfect for agitation, helps really release all of the dirt and grime. Also helps get the product down into the fibers. So next, you're gonna use your microfiber towel and you're just gonna dry it up the product. So like I said, if your mats really aren't that dirty, you don't have to use a shampooer. You don't have to go buy, a couple $100 equipment. Just need to use a little bit of elbow grease. All of you people that love to watch YouTube videos and like the aesthetics, brush all your fibers in a certain direction.